Welcome back. Now is that briefly going into all the part wise part important parts were the first schedule. First schedule tells that about first schedule is about the oath taking and and second schedule is about that second schedule is about that how much money that they get, president, vice president, and these peoples, and third schedule is that about that fourth is about the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and sixth fourth is about this states representation in the central, and fifth is about the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and sixth is about the autonomous districts made by in sixth schedule across sixth schedule to govern the districts, states like northeast states were there, the Manipur, Assam, Tripura, and Mizoram, and Meghalaya. These are the states where that tribes were very traditional. They were followed traditional only. They were not in obtain of traditional new culture. They were followed old culture. Okay, and fifth, sixth completed. Seventh is about the languages. All the languages, 22 official languages were there in India, and 26th is completed. Seventh completed. Eighth what is that? Eighth schedule is the eighth. Ninth is that ninth Bhusudharane, land reformation is ninth schedule, and tenth is that anti-defection laws. Okay, and 10th, 11th is panchayats, and 12th is municipalities. These are the main schedules were there, and 9th, 7th, 20 official languages, and okay, and state central relations were covered in a 250 11th part, and 256 to 265. What are the main objectives? That the central is controlling state, and we are our Indian constitution is about taken federal structure, parliamentary structure. Okay, okay, 1 second. Oh.